In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send or share a Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Sharing a Google Sheet is a great way to collaborate or quickly show someone important data, and sending it through WhatsApp makes it even more convenient. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple method that works on both your computer and your phone, and I'll explain why we're doing each step so nothing feels confusing. First, open your Google Sheet in your browser or in the Google Sheets app. Make sure it's the exact file you want to share, and double-check that the information in it is okay to send. If it contains anything sensitive, you might want to remove or hide that data before you share the link. Now, we need to get a shareable link. On a computer, look to the top right of your Google Sheet and click the Share button. On mobile, tap the three dots or the Share icon, depending on your version, and choose the option to manage sharing or share the file. This opens the sharing settings for that sheet. In the sharing window, look for the section that controls who can access the file. By default, it may be restricted to only specific people. If you want to share it with someone on WhatsApp without adding their email, change this setting so that anyone with the link can view it. Be careful here. If you only want them to see the data, set the permission to viewer so they can't edit anything. If you're collaborating and want them to make changes, you can choose Editor, but do this only with people you trust. Once the access level is set, click or tap the option to copy the link. You should see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Next, open WhatsApp. Go to the chat or group where you want to share the sheet. Tap in the message box and paste the link you just copied. You can add a short message explaining what the sheet is about. For example, "Here's the sales report," or "This is the attendance sheet we talked about." Then, send the message as you normally would. When the other person receives it, they'll be able to tap the link and open the Google Sheet directly in their browser or Google Sheets app, with the exact permissions you set. And that's all you need to do to send or share a Google Sheet on WhatsApp.